Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. In this tutorial, we will show you how to slice multiple models. To get started, go to the Projects section and select the models you want to slice by clicking the checkbox for each one, or the one in the title to select all. Then click the Slice button to go to the Slice page. The models will load automatically in their optimum positions. You can click the Auto Nesting button to change the view of all the models. You can view the model names in the list at the top, and the dimensions of each model in the bottom sections. If you want to adjust a model, you can select and activate it by either clicking on the model or its associated information. If a model is out of the range of the printing bed, you will need to adjust it manually before you can activate the Slicing button. Just like when slicing single files, you can select the printer and materials and change the slicing parameters for all the models. When you are ready, click the Slice button. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.